snowed during the night, and I just felt coming into my living room how everything is so beautiful, white and white, inside and outside. Very nice. It's very cold also. Like my lovely white phalaenopsis in the windows with the stars. And look, some people are moving in, some people are moving out, some retired people walking, and the snowplow is gonna come in and clear the road soon. The landscape is so pretty with just a little bit of this white powder snow and some blue sky and some white clouds. And we hear the sound of people walking in the crisp snow. So this is the place we're going to. It's on the court in Täby, opposite the mall. Gonna eat some Chinese lunch buffet with my husband as he's working from home today. First course sushi. There wasn't that much left right now, so I took dumplings as well. I'm heading to the Täby Asian market. They have sweets, mochi, which I like, but not today. Spices, boba tea and other stuff. Here are fresh vegetables. And what I have been looking for is chili paste that my husband likes. I see this store is very, 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 very narrow. So let's see, I think it might be... Ah, perfect, here. Here is the chili paste that my husband loves so much. And I'm also looking for the fermented beans, but this is peanuts in chili oil. Another peanuts in chili oil back there, so I guess they don't have it. But yeah, maybe they have it at some other time. And let's see, it's hard to film because it's so narrow, but oh yeah, here, perfect. They also have the tapioca pearls for the boba. Very good, very, very good. Wonderful. So I need my hands to carry things now, but yeah, great store. Exciting things that can be found here. Let's see, Ilums Bolighus, Danish brands. Seems to have a lot of green for the spring as well. Let's see over here, more green, definitely. They have a sale now, interesting, I don't understand why, but definitely green, green and green, and some pink. And more green for spring. Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. Really, really nice candle holder. Intense dark green. Very nice. Look at this eye-catching spring trend. Glitter jeans. Not really anything for me maybe, but sure looks fun. Spring trends have arrived at Söstrarna Grene, so let's check it out. I see still more mushroom lamps. And what I saw online was this chair. Looks really nice and comfortable. Very soft, very nice. So let's see what else there is in the store. Still a lot of beige, like always, and some pastels. Interesting, they have put the bathroom stuff here. Kitchen stuff is still here, lots of blues and greens. And here's the teas and some pink and lilacs on this side. Very nice colors, the blues and the beiges. The blue and beige continues. Here there's a little section for outdoorsy plastic kind of maybe kids party dishes. Here starts the pink section. Some nice pink cushions. Nice pink chair. These little vases are also very nice. Fit well together, the yellow and the pink. Section. With the new, right, I saw these online too, with the new small tables. And the green section. I like that they put everything a bit color coordinated. You can see how things match. Here's some lilacs. And more green, the bathroom section, and more beige. I wouldn't want these heavy items or ceramic items in my bathroom. I think it's very easy to not only break them but break the sink if you drop them. Today is Saturday and we have been at the library, and now we are also having a coffee and a lot of different cakes. Theo likes cinnamon bun, chocolate ball, and he also wanted a blueberry cheesecake. Already gave me all the blueberries.